instant coffee. Instant coffee, it's just we have to open this sachet and put it in the hot water and give it a good mix and the coffee is ready. Alright. And the other one is pure coffee. We have to open the sachet, put a little hot water, a little 1 tablespoon of sugar, and
then mix it well before.
then mix it a good mix.
Yes,
Good mix. Keep on mixing for 5 minutes. Keep on stirring it, stirring, and then it will come to a cream-like shape. And then we pour a hot water or hot also milk. We can pour it hot milk as well. And then it will turn to a very nice coffee as well. All right. And this activity is where? In your thread books?
Yes. On page number?
On page number 32.
Yes.
On page number 32. So we have to perform it first, then we will do this activity. All right?
Okay.
Now look at here. We have a cup here and a hot water. We have hot water in it.
Yes.
In this cup, I have hot water in it. All right? So I will first make the instant one. All right? I just open the sachet and pour the sachet in the cup like this. All right? And just give it a good mix. Keep on stirring it. Yeah. Anybody wants to try?
Yeah.
All right, one by one. You can do it one by one. Just make it, give it a good
Yes.
mix.
Then
Wow.
done.
All right.
Cup. Mix it. Yes.
All
Yes.
will
Clockwise,
all will
clockwise.
all will do.
Good. Yes,
All right,
everybody.
everybody will do it. Just wait.
Yes. Roman.
Roman, mix it.
Wow. Good one. Anyone? Yes. Zena.
Start it.
Are you done? Alicia, come.
Alicia, start it. Very good.
Good job. All right. Then Iman Asim.
We will do it. We can do it. Just wait. Relax.
Good job.
Now, shall we make the new one?
Yes.
The new coffee?
Yes.
All right. Yes, we will do it. On
See,
this.
it's all done.
It's all done. We will do it on this. You can do it. Okay. Now, I
The
will.
leftover will do the black one. Okay.
Now the black coffee. All right. Again, a hot cup of water. A hot cup of and I open the sachet of. Excuse me. Sit down. Sit down. Just open the sachet of pure coffee. It's all coffee. It's nothing inside it. It's just coffee. So I pour it in the water. All right. And then I will pour some sugar in it. And now again, what to do? Give it a good mix. Give it a good mix. Now, Miss Banu, you can take to them. She's coming.
Ashir.
Yes, baby. She's coming. She's coming.
Clockwise. Good. Aliza. Then Hassan.
All right.